Hey guys, welcome back. Today in the shop we're working on a brand new Shelby Mustang GT500. We're putting a PPF color change on it. Benefits of a PPF versus just a normal color change vinyl wrap is it protects more against like rock chips and scratches. It's a self-healing film, as well as protecting against like UV rays from the sun like a normal vinyl wrap. But right now Ryan's finishing up this side. We've got the rear bumpers done, this quarter panel done. We're gonna hopefully get the trunk laid tonight, but I guess we'll see how that goes. This car's being done in
silk titanium.
Silk titanium.
The one thing you have to remember.
Yeah, the one thing. This car is being done in silk titanium matte PPF film.
It's not matte, it's silk. Silk is the finish.
This car is being done in silk titanium PPF film. It's not matte, it's not satin, it's not gloss, it's a silk. It feels amazing. It doesn't feel like matte at all. You can tell it's very, very smooth, almost like silky, you could say. This is a dry install PPF film. There's not a lot of these on the market so far. I mean, obviously we're kind of just tearing into this car, but it lays down beautifully. Like, it behaves a lot more like a regular vinyl than just a dry install PPF film, so it's a lot easier to work with as opposed to some of the other ones we've worked with in the past. But I mean, it comes out like phenomenal. Earl killed it on this side, Ryan's crushing it on that side. So okay, so this car, it came to us, it's literally brand new. I don't think it even has 1,000 miles on it yet. This is all factory spec. It comes with the bright green calipers and the carbon wheels. Me personally, I'm not in the market for a sports car, but if I was to get one, I would probably want one with wheels that match front to back, so Ford gets together. I don't know. Well, other than that though, the titanium silk wrap, PPF wrap on here is gonna make the green calipers and the carbon wheels pop. It's gonna look sick. The Shelby snakes are staying that black, shiny, yeah. Okay, on the front end of the car here, usually front bumper is like one of the most complex things. On this one, it's still pretty complex, but the way that they built the bumper, it's in multiple different pieces. So if you've ever installed vinyl, you know sometimes that's a blessing, sometimes it's a curse. On this one, it looks like it's still gonna be pretty easy to do. This customer decided that on the ranch here, we call it the ranch because that's where the ponies live, he wants to keep this center section black and maybe do some gloss black on the back there, but we don't know yet. He wants to kind of see what the car looks like once there's a little bit more film on it and see what he's going to decide he wants to do with the accents. This is a very powerful car. This sucker will snap a speedo in 3.3 seconds. We looked it up as soon as it got here because it's a very, very fast car. Guy wants to protect it for when he's out there doing 100-mile-an-hour passes, probably. If I had a car like this, that's what I'd be doing. But we're gonna finish the gas cap door and the trunk, some of these easier panels, get his opinion on what he's thinking it's looking like, and then decide what we're gonna do with the hood and then the snakes on the side. We might do something custom special for him too. Okay, we just got finished wrapping up the Mustang. It's all done. We really liked working with the film. It laid on the car great. The way it looks with the carbon fiber wheels and the big green calipers and the carbon fiber wing, all the accents on it really tie it together really well. Customer wanted to leave the mirrors gloss black and the roof, a couple other little things on like the front of it, but it all ties together so nicely. The car looks amazing. We're all super stoked with the way it came out. We can't wait to see what the customer says, but it's all done. You can see on the front end here a little bit of the gloss black accents, how they tie together with the color. Again, this whole film is not just a color change wrap, it's a PPF film. It's called silk titanium. It's not a matte or satin finish. It feels absolutely smooth to the touch. It's a crazy, crazy finish. It looks amazing on this car. As opposed to just a regular color change vinyl wrap, it looks phenomenal, but it also gives all the added protection of like a clear bra PPF film against rock chips, paint scuffs, scratches. It's hydrophobic as well, so cleaning it is a breeze. It looks absolutely amazing. We're all super, super stoked with the way it came out. Thanks for watching, guys. We had a really, really fun time doing this car with this film. It looks phenomenal. We're all super stoked with the way it came out. Let us know in the comments what else you guys want to see, if there's anything specific, if you want to see, you know, different kinds of cars or different kinds of colors. We do this stuff all the time, so hopefully we can take some guidance from you guys, see what you want to see more of. Till next time, we'll see you guys later.